In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use emojis in Slack. Emojis are not just fun, they also add a layer of expression to your messages that text alone may not convey. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in with the first step, adding an emoji to your message. When you're composing a message, look for this small smiley face icon near the text input field. Give that little guy a click. This opens the emoji picker, which is like a treasure chest filled with all your favorite emojis. You can browse through categories or check out your frequently used emojis right there for quick access. And if you're looking for something specific, don't worry. Simply type a keyword into the search bar. Words like thumbs or party will get you to the right emoji in no time. Once you find the emoji you want, just click it, and it'll drop right in line with your text. Adding emojis this way not only enhances your message, but also makes it more engaging and fun. Now, let's talk about a different way to use emojis, reacting to someone else's message. This is super handy in keeping conversations flowing. All you need to do is hover your mouse over any message in a channel or direct message. When you do this, a small toolbar of quick actions will pop up. You'll see the emoji icon among these options. Click on it, and a compact emoji picker will appear, just like the one we used before. Here you can select a reaction, maybe a check mark to acknowledge a message or a heart to show your appreciation. This feature allows you to respond without cluttering the chat with additional replies. Now, why should you use reactions instead of just replying with words? Well, it keeps the chat tidy. When you add a reaction, the emoji is placed directly below the message, which means you can convey your feelings or opinions without sending a new message that could distract from the ongoing conversation. It's also a great way to gauge consensus quickly. The reaction count beside an emoji often speaks volumes. If you notice lots of thumbs up emojis, you know your team is on board with what was just suggested. So, in brief, whether you're enhancing your messages with emojis or using reactions to respond to others, both methods can greatly improve communication and engagement in your Slack workspace. Emojis add personality, making interactions more vibrant and enjoyable. All right, that wraps up our tutorial on how to use emojis in Slack. I hope you found this information helpful and that you'll start incorporating emojis into your daily communication. Not only will you make your messages more interesting, but you'll also create a more dynamic and enjoyable chat experience for everyone. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more tips and tricks, remember to subscribe and hit that